every leaf. It can harvest the quantums and makes the as a product and byproducts. What is byproduct? Oxygen. Product is a glucose and starch. So behind this story, there are a number of these reactions. But majorly we have two phases. Phase one, light reaction. Phase one, light reaction. Second one, dark reaction. So by saying this word, you can get one idea what is light reaction means. So everyone knows it's a very simple word. Which is the reaction takes place by using light. Yes, exactly right. Which is the action or reaction takes place by using sunlight or light. Yes or no? But what is dark reaction? Without using light. It means night time. No, it's utter wrong. It takes place simultaneously after the light reaction. But there is no need of the light. Yes or no? When there is a light reaction, after the light reaction, simultaneously after the fraction of seconds, in 1 second, 1000 parts. Yes or no? If you take in 1 second, in the 1000 parts of the speed, it will take in the light reaction, dark reaction. Totally called as a photosynthesis. It means it takes only place in the daytime. Always in the daytime. But one reaction takes place in the by using light. It means light reaction. Without light is called dark reaction. So without any confusion, we can call as it is a carbon fixation reaction. Yes or no? There will be a question. What is dark reaction? You will give answer without light or nighttime reaction. Don't give the answer. So and Calvin cycle. So name of the cycle. So which is important? Light reaction is very important. So what is the light reaction? It is a combination of the against series of the reactions. So if you take the chloroplast, there are some stack-like structures. What is it? Grana and grana thylakoids. Stroma and stroma thylakoids. So in the grana, there will be a chlorophyll and magnesium. What is their? They are light harvesting molecules. So in the first step one, when sun rises in the east, it's common thing, everyone knows. But in any direction, if sun rises, so automatically sunlight falls on the leaf as a photons, because it is a science. We have to use the science terms. So light falls on the leaf, every leaf. Yes or no? It gives as a photons, but the energy in the photons as a quantum. So in the leaf there is a mesophyll cells. Under the mesophyll cells there is a chloroplast. In the chloroplast there will be a grana. Which is the grana? Containing the chlorophyll and magnesium ion. They can trap the sunlight. So first one is exposure to quantum. Yes or no? And step 2. So the chlorophyll will get charged, means get active. In simple words, we can call it charged, but it is activated. Yes, chlorophyll get activated. Means start the function. So initially there will be a water in the leaf. So the water will split. Means split into H plus ions and OH minus ions. That is third step. I'll explain you in a clear manner, but third step. And step fourth. Getting ATP and NADPH. This is the end product of the light reaction. Okay na? This is the oxygen. It gives the oxygen here oxygen. as a byproduct. Byproduct. We can call as a photolysis. Photolysis. Photolysis of water. Yes or no? We can call as a Hill's reaction. Hill's reaction. What is that? Third step. We can call as a Hill's reaction. Splitting the water molecule. Splitting the water molecule is the Hill's reaction or photolysis of water. What is Hill's reaction means? He is a one person, already scientist, who discovered the reaction taking place in the grana by using water, giving the oxygen to the atmosphere is called Hill's reaction. Name of the scientist given as a reaction name, Hill's reaction. So the ATP and NADP, we can call as a assimilators and connecting links to the that reaction. It means that light reaction starts with the light. Yes or no? Without light, there is no light reaction. And without ATP and NADPH, there is no dark reaction. Here with the CO2, it uses the carbon. Carbon molecules and gives C6H12O6. It means simple glucose, simple sugars. It is one catabolic activity. I told you in the beginning of the class. Yes or no? Catabolic activities. Catabolism, anabolism. It is the catabolism. One destructive process. The ATP and NADPH is breakdowns. They are getting the destruction. Yes or no? If it is ATP, by using carbon dioxide, they are getting breakdown. It is a complex product. They are being breakdown into simple particles as a glucose by using carbon. That's why it given as a carbon fixation reaction. And name of the person who discovered is called Kelvin cycle. It is simultaneously happens. Okay na? Light reaction, dark reaction, and ATP, NADPH, carbon dioxide breaking down and giving the simple glucose. It's a cycle. Rotation. That's why Kelvin cycle. Now again, quick revision. So there are two phases in the photosynthesis. Yes or no? First phase is called light reaction. What is the light reaction? The reaction which takes place in the presence of the light. That's why it is a light dependent reaction. Which is depending on the light. That's why the reaction starts by light. So when light falls on the leaf as a quantum, the grana in the chloroplast along with the magnesium ions, it can trap the sunshine as a quantum, and it will start the work. Means chlorophyll get activated. And third step, it can split the water molecules. Into H plus ions and OH minus ions. It is a hydronium. It is a hydroxide. So these hydronium ions can go to the ATP and NADPH. Actually, it means because it is a NADP. With this plus hydronium. It forms as a NADPH ions. So this OH minus ions. What is OH? Oxygen, hydrogen. So oxygen comes out to the atmosphere.